Hi everyone, today I will be doing an overview of the Excel automated line sheet. I shot this video before, but the audio was really bad, so I decided to shoot it again. And I'm just gonna do the whole overview. Some of you may have seen it already, so if you did, you might want to stay and see it again, or if not, you could. It might be the same video that you saw previously. And if you haven't seen this video before, I am going to do an overview and show you this new item in my store. So we're going to start on the first page. And what this is basically, it's a line sheet that, like the ones you find on Canva, that you purchase and you have to do each one like a template. The only thing with those is, even though they're aesthetically beautiful, they take a long time. So I wanted to make a line sheet that helped you save time, and I wanted to make a line sheet that you could do a catalog. You could create a catalog in about 1 to 5 minutes max. So let's begin. So I have first a cover page, and you have a cover page here, and you could change the images. I only have one image, so because this is just a sample. So you can place your images here in the info. You have your catalog page, and then you have your images. And what you do is you just simply copy a image address, place it here, and then you can have a different image. And I'll just show you quickly. I have this, I have Unsplash open, and this, let's pick an image that makes a good cover. This is nice. So use right click, copy image address, and you could do this for your website. I'm doing it with Unsplash just for the sake of showing you how it's done. And I will change the second image. So I just copy and pasted the image. And now you see cover 2 looks different, and I'm going to place cover 1. That one's for some reason is not found. Let's do a different image. And I'll take this one. I think this looks also pretty cool. Let's copy image. Let's go to info, and I'm going to change it to the first one. Actually, copy image address. Okay. And there we go. And now let's take a look at the cover. We have cover 1, which is this one, and cover 2. So you could actually take images from your website and place it right onto your catalog. So let's go to cover 2. I'm going to change this image to this one, and leave this image. You have an option to have a different cover with a different style. So you have 2 cover options, which you could change every time with a different image. And you have a page that's the inside cover, because the idea is you print it, you export it to a PDF, and you have the catalog ready to go. So now we're going to go over to the sheets. And the first sheet is a square, and it gives you all the information you need. Diamond is the name of the item, the SKU number, the information, the price, the MSRP, and the size. Now, you're probably wondering, where are the images? Well, it's the same thing as the previous one. You go to table, and you could change the images. You would take an image from Unsplash, or from whatever images you're getting your images from. Like, it could be your website, and there is a way to place the images with Google Drive. I have to put that into play. Like, once you get your video, I'm hoping to create a video that shows you how to do that. There is a way to do it, but it takes a little bit more effort than just copying and pasting the URL. But this one's very cool, because you could just copy it, paste it. If you have a website, copy all your items, paste them right onto your spreadsheet. Well, you're going to be copying the URL. So over here we have the sheet 1, as you can see, is a square. And the way you do this, you go to table, you will add all your details, all your item details. And this is just for the line number, like if it's line 1, line 2. It says color, but it's actually just for the line number. And then colors available, small, medium, large. And then you have your image folder. And you do the same thing. You would take an image from wherever your URL is, copy it, paste it onto your spreadsheet, and then you have your image. So let's take an image that I would want to change. I think I want to change this one. So I'm just gonna take an image that I already have, and I'm gonna try the silver ring. So there you go. I have a different image, and you could change them as you like. You could check or design your catalog in seconds this way. So it's really awesome. And I'm just gonna put it back to silver. And you can put your details, and if you decide not to put the details in, it's fine as well. You just can leave it blank, and that's perfectly fine. So you get 2 sheets of the square. You get 3 sheets of the circle format, because you're imagining that it's a catalog. So usually you have 2 sheets of one. You want to keep the eyes kind of like, or the person invested, so you want to change up the style. And the 4th page, the 5th and 6th page is the brush stroke. So you can see that is the brushstroke design. So you have a really cool catalog. And then I added this page recently, and it's just the image and the picture on the side. So it's a totally different format. Once again, you have the option of mixing up the pages once you export it to an PDF. And this is one on this side and one on the other side. And now I decided to do 2 of the same, just in case you like to have them both on the same side. And let's say that you don't want to do size, you want to do color. Here says color. And the way you change that is that you go to details and you add any information you want. So you could actually update and change the information as you like. So this completes the catalog, the overview, and we're going to export it. And the way you export it, you want to go to export. You want to change file type. If you press it here, it's not going to allow you to change the DPI, and you want to make sure that you have a high-res image when you're exporting. So we're going to do save as, and you're going to choose PDF. And this opens up this dialog box here, and you're going to go to Tools, Compress Pictures, and usually it's going to be either here or here, 150 or 96. Over here they call them PPIs or DPIs. You want to do 330 because that's going to give you better resolution. And if you really want really high quality images, you would do high fidelity. But just remember, you might have to transfer the file, or you might not be able to email it, and it's up to you. So then you would press OK, and we're going to save that, and we're going to say yes because I've saved this often. Let's do this here. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. It's probably open still from before. And let's just take a look and see if that's open. Let's go to the desktop. And okay, I only saved 1 page. So I'm going to show you a way to do this, to save all the pages. You're going to click Shift, click the first page and the last page. And now we're going to do that process all over again. Let's export this, change file type, save as, PDF, Tools. Let's make sure it's set up to 330. Okay, let's save that and say yes. And it's probably still open. So let me just do the desktop here. And there you go. It's now open. And I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller so you can see the full page. So this here is the full page of the catalog. And that was the picture we chose for the first one. And let's look at the picture for the second one. So you have two cover options that you could choose and change as you like. And I'm going to change this over to a different view so you can see how it looks like if it were a catalog. And we're just going to do page display 2 pages. So we're going to go down to the first page. And over here we have the inside page. So this would have been the inside page. I'm going to delete one of the covers. I'm going to delete this one because I like that second one, the image, better. And that's deleted, so we're going to go back. So here we are, we have the page the way it would look. You will have your first page. The inside, let's assume you're printing double side. You have your first page, the inside page of that, and then you have the left and the right image. And I'm just going to make it smaller so you can see the full page. So you have it look like this, and this is your catalog, and you can make this in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can make multiple catalogs and send them out to your accounts. So this is the first page. Look how great it looks, the square box. And we're going to go down to the next 2 pages, and of course you're going to be changing this. You have the option of changing this information here and this information as well. Adding your company name, the website, and we have now the circle images, so that also looks awesome. And we have the wonderful brush strokes, which I always love. Like, I always think it looks so elegant and awesome, which is why I wanted to really incorporate it into an Excel spreadsheet and make it automated to be able to do that, which is awesome. And next we have this style, which is the box style with the information, and we have one on this page, one on this page. I've added this one as well, just in case you want to do something different. And also, when you make the PDF, you could always organize the pages. Let's say you want to have this on this side instead. You could just simply move it over and just organize it the way you want to as a PDF. So, and that's pretty much it. That is the whole catalog. And as you can see, you can make a catalog in seconds. Once you set up all your data and have your images, you can set up catalogs on a regular basis. I know some accounts like to see what you have all the time. And over here, let's say you don't want to put this and you want to put inventories, you could actually put inventory and just leave out this information, just leave out the size, or write inventory and put inventory instead of a size. So this is very adaptable to whatever your needs are. And I really like this because imagine how long this would take in Canva. If you were to make this in Canva, you would have to sit there, add this information, this image, and then go over here and add this information and do one at a time. And no, this one you could actually put your data in and you could play with it. Like, let's say you could see what image or what you think works. Like the image I had here didn't really work, and in 2 seconds I could change it. So this is a product that I really love and I've been working on for a while, because I just really always wondered, wow, people take so long to make a Canva spreadsheet, a Canva line sheet. And at work, I know that I would always try to expedite my work using this system, but I never had a spreadsheet that looked like this. So I decided, let me try this. I know it could work. I know it's doable. And yeah, it allows you to do your work a lot quicker. So if you like this, please remember to like. And if you have any questions or you have any ideas you think I should add to this, please let me know, because I love to hear what people have to say. And I always, if they give me some type of recommendation, I try to incorporate it into my designs. So please like and subscribe. And all the information for this will be in the description, where you could buy it. Yeah, and it will be in the description. I also, and if this one doesn't work for you, because this works as Office 365, and you have a desktop, I do have a basic desktop version, which is a very simple line sheet, but it's still a pretty good line sheet that saves the images to a file of the folder in your desktop or in your USB. So you actually pulls the data out of the folder that you have the line sheet in. And it's also, it works quickly. And it's cool because you could actually work offline. What's nice about this is you could actually use it on your iPad. So let's say you're working on the iCloud, the cloud-based Excel, you could actually use it there and get images populating. The other one works on the desktop. I only have right now a basic version. I do plan to create the same one for the VBA one, which is a macro one. But for now, I just have the basic version. And if you have 365, you could actually use this. And like I said before, you will be able to place Google Images in here. Once you purchase it, I plan to create an instruction video that will tell you how to do that. And you could also include OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive files, but that's only if you have the business version. So I'm not sure if I can show that because right now I just have a basic iCloud account. I have only Office 365. And if any of you know that if I could add it, please let me know in the comment section, but I haven't seen that I could do that. So thank you for joining me. I hope that you like this item. If you like it, it is available on in my Etsy shop, and you're welcome to go right over. The link is in the description. Thank you. Bye.